Plant your hands beside your chest and lift up easily. You can do this 5. Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you guys yoga that can help improve your flexibility, and you have to do this practice as continuously if you want to. So guys, this is in the spirit of our Vlogmas and sharing the gift of yoga. So this is yoga that will help improve your flexibility. Now guys, you're going to be starting out with this seated stretch, okay? You're going to be breathing in and out. In and out. And then we're going to lift all the way up and come into child's pose. Rotate side to side. And then we're going to come with cat cow. This will help improve your flexibility around your spine. And now we're going to lift all the way up. All the way forward, like somebody is stretching you on both sides. We're going to grab and we're going to stretch. We're doing the drop here. And we'll move. And you're doing that. What that does is that it stretches your spine and it opens it up for more side flexibility. And we're back here. So you're going to close up. If your aim is to improve your back flexibility, then you should practice more puppy pose. So you see, the way the spine is lifted, it helps to improve your flexibility around the spine. Inhale and breathe. If you want to improve and get more into it, go for this variation. Plant your hands beside your chest and lift up easily. You can do this 5 times. The last one. And then we're going to come back. So guys, that will help improve your back flexibility. If you're trying to improve your shoulder flexibility, then you should do more shoulder rolls. Reverse it. And stretch out as much as you can. And guys, you're going to do this and stretch in that direction. Do this, take it behind you. Place other hand over and stretch back. And the last one, you're going to push out and rotate at your back and lengthen all the way. So let's do that one more time. Push all the way, go up. Good. The next one that will improve both your shoulder and back flexibility is the camel pose. So begin as you start from here and surrender all the way. See, it opens you up. So beginners, come here, hold here, and drop. Engage for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Advance, you're coming here, and you're dropping all the way down. You can adjust yourself instantly. And then you come back up. That's it. So if you want to improve your leg flexibility, you should practice more of this. Bond angle pose. It has a way of just helping you open up your hips, and it also stretches the back. So bond angle pose. Beginners, this will help you improve your flexibility. So beginners, you can stay here, move side to side, move side to side. Then you're going to release one leg, release the other side, and bow forward. Come back all the way up to center, release this one. Bow forward. So you don't want to do too much, just taking it light. And you're back here again. You can also do this. Push hands up, down. Okay? You're going to take a peace grip of your toes and lift and lift. So supporting with your legs, you're going to stretch it. If you can't, stay here. If it is too easy, open up and stay a little bit. Stay a little bit. Come back here and drop. So we're going to do that one more time. Take a peace grip of your big toes. Lift up your heels off the ground. Beginners here. Too easy, open up. Too easy, open up even more. And then we're going to drop back down. Good job. Inhale and exhale. So guys, we're going to go to more hip opening that will open up and improve your flexibility around your legs. The first one is high lizard. High lizard. Lift up in high lizard. Beginner, this is easy for you, but it's going to hurt a little bit. So we stay for like 5 to 10 breaths. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. If it's too easy for you, drop your legs, keep your toes flat, and go for low lizard. Stretch out, and stretch out. 5 breaths. If you want to actually go forward, come into it by arching your back. Take that leg. If this is your left leg, take your left hand to the back. Stay here. If it is too easy, grab. Open up the hips and stretch. Let's say you stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All the way back to the other side. High lizard. So stay for 5 to 10 breaths. 3, 2, and 1. Low lizard. Guys, hope you enjoyed today's practice. Remember that in this season of Christmas, we're sharing yoga practices, vlogs, and everything in between to help you improve your practice, even this festive period. So do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, turn on your post notifications so you know when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.